Well, at least I got the tool side cleaned and organized. I'm Rick, and this shut the heck up, you stinking boosters. Now that for your sanity. This is the shack. Hey everybody, welcome. If you're new to the channel, or if this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much for taking some of your time out to view. Always ask that you would consider subscribing, and if you do, ring that bell down there so you are notified when these videos do come out. Give it a thumbs up, like it, and share. It definitely helps the channel. This is going to be another kind of quick video, not much, just continuing the progress. That's basically the only reason why I'm doing this, to show you that I am continuing to stay busy every day, getting things done that have been pushed aside, set aside, out of sight, out of mind type of thing. Don't want to deal with, don't care right now. But now we're doing it and we're taking care of it. We're not just setting it aside, we're jumping in, digging in, cleaning it, organizing it, throwing it out, whatever it may be. So hopefully you'll see me staying busy, and maybe you'll think to yourself, I got a few things I could do, maybe I should get out there and do it too. So this is just about trying to motivate you, get you going and get you out, not sitting on the couch all day, not sitting around watching YouTube, marathon, some sitcom on TV, whatever. Shut it down, get out of there. Don't let all the negativity flood your mind. Stay positive, get out here and do things and enjoy the surreal quietness out away from all that onslaught of negativity. We're coming out here where it's positive, relaxing, a little dirty at times, but it still is enjoyable. Today is Friday. This is a 5th day of cloud and rain, which is great. We need it. A little bit cold today, so I'm going to kick on the heater. It's loud. And this pile behind me is my goal today. That pile there is mainly the stuff that goes to Mexico. And I keep it there because it was easy access. Just grab it, load it, and go. So since we haven't gone, and it doesn't look like we're going to go till May, hopefully, I'm going to go ahead and put all my tools back away, get everything organized, and clean that area out. Once that's done, or I should say including that, I want to clean this off, and I got to reorganize my tool cart because a lot of that goes back into here. So like all this is combined effort. That's my goal today. Just get that clean, get this clean, and get this organized. And that will be it for today. Not much, but I got to kick the heater on. It's going to be loud, so I'm going to time lapse a lot of this with little breaks here and there. the bandsaw clean, I can turn my attention to my tool rack. I will later go through the bandsaw, set it up, align it and everything, but for now it's clean. Now I'm going to pull this out, clean it out, organize it, pull the tools that I use in Mexico that go in here out of there, that pile, put in here. Some of that stuff goes to the storage. I've already made a trip to the church this morning, took the toolbox and some of the tools that were donated for the church. I took them there already, got them out of there. So easy day. So let me get this going so I can get this finished. Got it completed. I've actually got 2 jigsaws, 2 little circular saws, older ones I don't use anymore. They are going out to the storage. But now, nice and organized. Now for the big mess. And this is probably going to take me the longest, and I got other stuff over there that's got to go in here. Well, let's get going. This is my supplies, not all my nails and things I need. All screws, drywall screws, and I got buckets over there that I take to Mexico. I got another bucket down here, screws. All these are my framing nail gun, framing nails, box of screws, drywall. These are a bucket of nails for joist nails. This is an old, I should take that outside too. This is a nice old, I think it's a Rockwell circular saw. Forstner bits, chisels, I forget what that is. Soldering gun, more chisels, really nice set. I think these 2 I'm going to take out. Those are soldering guns I don't use. So this is just a lot. So I'm going to go through this and start cleaning this out. I think I'm going to call this now. I'm just getting tired. And it's getting cold out here. And I'm almost out of fuel for my heater. And I got another one that runs on propane I can use, but I'm just tired. So I think I'm going to just end this video. So I took all the nails and screws out of this top shelf, reorganized them, combined couple boxes, made one nice box. So now I have from 1 inch, 1.25 inches, 3.5, and I got 4 inch back here. These are self-tapping screws for metals. All the nails are still down here. I had all the nails for my air guns, staplers, pinners, all that stuff was here. I don't know if I'm going to keep it there. I'm just tired right now. So I'm going to tear all this out of here, figure out what I'm going to keep, what's going in storage, or what I'm just going to throw away or sell. If you remember, I think it was a video before this one, when I was cleaning out the corner over here, I found that wooden box. I thought that was very simple. It'd be a nice build. We could replicate that, and if you wanted it bigger, smaller, or whatever, it'd be easy to do. We're just going to go through the basics of the build. When I saw these, I immediately thought of that build, and I was thinking to myself, even if I did a lap joint or even a butt joint, but I might do a lap just because we have to use the table saw anyway to do the lid and and the dividers, I thought putting nails on the joints around the outside of it, these nails, that would give it a cool looking rustic vintage look. And I got something else I want to do to it, but I think putting the nails in, having them show like this, would offset it, be almost like a rivet or something. So I think that's what I'm going to do. One person chimed in and said sell the Cadillac thing and sell the emblems. Now, I could do that, but it's not always about money. I think that would be a really nice project for a shop, industrial look, man cave type of thing. So I think I'm going to wait on those. I'm going to do a little more research as far as the LED goes. I got to figure that part out. But I'm going to put these nails aside, and I think I'm going to use it for that project. So I think we'll do that next week. And that is an easy build. That will be a one-day build. I am tired. I'm going to leave this out here for tonight. I'm pooped. I have been up late every night, and doing a video every day is wearing me out. So I think I'm going to go in and make this an easy night, relax, come back out here with a fresh mind tomorrow, and I'll be able to finish this tomorrow. And don't forget, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified when these videos do come out. You can check them out. I don't expect you to watch every single one of them. If you want to just check in and see how things are going, that's fine. But when I do the builds, they may interest you. So with that, thank you so much for watching, and be blessed. Take back check for your sanity. I'm pooped. I'm going in. Get me some hot tea. We will see you in the next video. I'm out of here.